How to buy domain on Porkbun. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a domain on Porkbun. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Porkbun, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Porkbun, it's an accredited domain name registrar based on the Pacific Northwest, recognized for its user-friendly interface and competitive pricing, and the company distinguishes itself by offering transparent pricing with no hidden fees, making it a popular choice among users seeking affordable domains registration and renewal services. And Porkbun also provides a variety of features including free OS privacy protection. Additionally, Porkbun supports user with an intuitive website builder and various hosting options including email hosting at low cost. And now before we start buying a domain on Porkbun, we firstly need to sign in which you could also click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign in button on the top right corner. Upon clicking here, you will be directed on this page where you can start logging in if you have already an existing account. Or if you want to register, you can simply fill out all of this required information to create an account, such as your username, to create your own password in here. And also below, you also need to enter your primary email address, backup email address, your first name, last name, your company name, address, phone code, phone number, and many more. And then just proceed by clicking create account button below to proceed signing in on this or creating your account on porkbun.com. And after you signing on Porkbun, just click the products button on the top panel and click domains. Upon clicking on it, below here it will show you a variety of domains that you can choose from. And below, as you can see, you can also go to the search bar to specific search for the domain that you prefer. For example, I'm going to look for a domain to purchase, which is cupcake256.com. And upon clicking the search button right here, but before that, you could also click this bulk search if you're looking for a specific domain list or even TLD selection. But at this point, I'm going to click the search bar or search icon in order to see the result. And below here, you will now be able to see here that the cupcake256.com is available, in which it offers a first-year sale amounting to $6.99 per year. While on the left side panel, you will also be able to see here some other different extension with the same domain. And below here, if you scroll down, it will show us in here different kind of domain extension that we can choose from with different kind of pricing options or corresponding prices in here. And aside from using search bar, you could also click this AI search if you were looking or if you want to navigate using AI. Just enter here the domain name or even a keyword in here and let the AI choose the TDL. But at this point on this result, you could also sort all of this result in here. For example, if you're looking for pricing or cheaper offer, by clicking the sort by price button right here, you'll be able to see here that the prices has now been sorted by. But at this point, the domain extension in here has now been changed. Instead of .com, it is now changed into .buzz. But if you still want to purchase this kind of domain with cupcake256.buzz, kindly click this plus button right here. Then it will automatically add it to your cart in here, where you can start checking out this domain by clicking this checkout button. You will be directed on this page, in which it will show you the order summary, including the benefits that you will receive. And as you can see in here on the left side panel, you could also add here additional email address for $24 per year, and even choosing here the kind of year that you prefer, which is up to 10 years. However, depending on the year that you choose to register using this domain, it will show in here that the prices also vary. For 5 years, you will need to pay $106.28 in here in order to purchase the 5-year registration for this domain. But at this point, I'm going to select the 1-year registration. And now on the right side, it will show you the order summary, wherein upon purchasing, they also offer WHOIS privacy, site builder trial, email hosting trial, and many more. And below, it will show you the total amount that you need to pay, and it has no hidden fees in here included, but no refunds or no exceptions in here. And now to proceed, just click the continue button below to proceed checking out this domain. However, you also need to create your account or logging in to start purchasing your domain in here, since you will not be able to purchase any kind of domains without signing in or creating your account on this porkbun.com. And after that, you also need to choose your payment options such as credit card, debit, or even PayPal to purchase your specific domain that you choose to check out in here. Now moving on, aside from that, going back on our domain names button right here, if we click on it, You will also be directed on this page where you could also choose a specific kind of domain on the given extension here, in which you could choose here alphabetically, and some of these domains are offered on sale right now. You could choose here either B, C, E, or any kind of extension domain in here that you prefer, with its corresponding prices in here that you can select from. And as you can see, you have here the amount of registration prices, renewal prices, and even the transfer prices on this specific domain extension that you can choose from. So you can simply select any of this and start checking out, but make sure that you already sign up on this account on Porkbun. And by clicking this trending button right here, it will show you some of the trending domain that you can choose from or the hottest extension in here. And as you can see, based on this result, most of the offer has first year sale. So for example, I'm going to choose this .shop domain or extension, and from here you can simply enter here the name of our shop, which will be added to this extension domain of .shop. So for instance, I'm going to enter here men's fashion now, and upon clicking enter, you will be able to see here the result if it is available to be part of their domain. And as you can see, we have here a first year sale amounting to $1.52 per year. So you can simply check out this and add this to your cart, and below it will show you the corresponding benefits or feature it also offers upon buying or purchasing a domain in here. Now, aside from looking for a trending domain extension, below on this footer section, you could also click this greatest deals, in which upon clicking on it, it will show in here a variety of greatest deals that they offer of domain that you can choose from. They also offer here a popular extension at great prices, including it.com, .inc, .xyz, and many more. And below, you could also purchase here some other lowest registration prices on this extension. We have here .me, .forum, .radio FM, and many more. And as you can see, all of these offer a first year sale, while some of them offer everyday price. But if you have other concern upon purchasing a domain, you can simply click on the footer section in here. Under the support section, this contact us option. We simply clicking this one, it will show you a pop-up window. Then you can simply enter here your question and just enter here the request type and also the domain name that you want to purchase. Then it will show you a real-time replies from their customer service or with their agent. And now in terms of payment options, by clicking these payment options in here, you will be able to see here some of the payment options that you can choose from. We have here credit cards, Alipay, Apple Pay, and even Google Pay in here, and also this PayPal. And as you can see below, they also offer a crypto as their payment options and even bank account depending on your preferences. And upon choosing the payment methods, it will show you the step-by-step process on how you can process to pay your purchase on a specific domain that you choose to check out. But as I said earlier, you also need to create your account or logging in upon checking out or to start purchasing a domain on porkbun.com. And also in purchasing a domain in here, you could also adhere for apply a coupon if you have one by simply entering here a coupon code to start updating the cart if you have other discount that is offered or applied in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can bind domain on Porkbun. Thank you.